Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will make another simple car with some interior design. I mean some seats. It's the middle way between a simple car and a more designed car. As usual, the project begins with planing down your lumber into the right thickness, and then you can trace your pattern onto the wood and cut it out on the bandsaw or scroll saw. The two outside layers you can cut at the same time by gluing it temporarily together with double-sided tape. As you can see, I was making two different design cars. Use the spindle sander to sand the inside of the mudguards. Then you can peel the two parts apart. I do this because it's easier for me to cut the windows one piece at a time at the scroll saw. Drill some 7mm axle holes in the main body of the car. Before you glue the car together, it's important to sand the seat smooth first, otherwise it will be very hard to reach these places. Now that both sides are glued on, we can measure the length of the roof and glue it in place. It doesn't need to be perfect because we'll saw off the rest at the bandsaw later when it's dry. Here you can see I'm assembling the other car. Use a hole saw to cut out your wheels. I'm using another wheel so I can position it to get the most wheels out of one plank. These little clamps come in really handy for tasks like this. After an hour or two, my glue has dried and now I can cut around everything that is not flush on the bandsaw. And then I'll sand it smooth on the belt sander. Give the car some more shape on the belt sander. And of course, some hand sanding to end the project. And then we can apply some Rubio Monocoat oil. You can choose the color you like and apply it, let it sit for 15 minutes, wipe off the excess, and your project is done. I choose to color the wheels in a different color, so when everything is oiled and dried, I can glue the wheels on. And if you mess up by cutting the axle flush with the wheels, no problem, with Rubio you can just touch up without even seeing it. Thanks for watching, bye!